How to save reels without posting. So saving reels without posting is quite easy and simple. Just you have to make sure to watch the video till the end so that you get an idea to save reels without posting. So first of all, open Instagram and then sign in on your account. After that, select the plus button at the bottom center of the screen in order to save reels. At the bottom of the screen, you will see different option that says post, story, reels or live. Simply you need to select the post option and select any video or the real video that you want to save without posting. So I already have selected, so let's tap on next at the top right corner. On this page, you can simply customize adding different kinds of music with the music icon at the top of the screen, adding text, stickers, filters and many more. Also, with the help of this edit video at the bottom left corner, you can edit the video, crop it, many more. You can see the option here. You can voice over it as well. You can customize the volume. So after that, tap on the arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then before that come here back, and then again come back, and at the top right you will see the option of save or the download. Let's select it and wait until it has been processing. When you wait for a while, the video has been successfully saved. When you check and go to your gallery, you will find out that we have successfully saved this video on our gallery as well. So this way we can easily save reels without posting on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates on our channel.